Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change or switch your player or the character on Headball 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Headball 2 game on your device and go through the basic tutorial levels in order to gain access to the full game features. Once you finish the tutorial levels, you will also gain a few characters in order to start enjoying your game. Once you gain access to the homepage, alongside the play button, you will see the character option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will see the various different characters that you have and also the ones that you can unlock later on within the game. You can tap on the character that you wish to switch into and then tap on the select button. And now this character will be selected as your main character for your game. You can come back to this menu and switch your character at any point of time. And you can also modify the settings for these characters. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your player or character on the Headball 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.